Let's imagine your company is now growing exponentially at the greatest rate possible in the regions, and you need to add more sites to Nimbly, so you may assign checklists to them. Adding your multiple sites one by one will take quite a long time. Here's how to do it with the bulk upload. Go to the Admin menu. Click Manage tab and select Sites. Click the Bulk Upload button in the upper right corner of your screen and choose Bulk Site Upload. Then a pop-up box with step-by-step instructions will appear. You may need to follow our template in order for our system to read your files. Therefore, click Download. Open the downloaded file and start filling it with the data you have. There are a few columns that must be filled out, including Column A, Name, Column C, Department Key or Unique Key Department, Columns D to G, Country, Province, City, and Address, and the last one, Columns K and L, Auditors and Supervisors. The remaining columns are optional. If you choose not to fill in the data, please leave the cell blank. Please double check that the information you provided is correct. You will see an error notification with information about the issue you need to solve after you've submitted the file. If you successfully submitted your sites list, you will now get a notification on the right upper corner of your screen. You can also see a checklist before your file name. And that's how you add multiple sites to your Nimbly. Don't worry if you mistype your site name or add the wrong supervisor. To edit existing site details, click the data on that site's row. To block a site, click the trash can icon. And last but not least, you can see the blocked sites on the Blocked tab. You can click the column header to sort the data by that column.